In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use double XLOOKUP formula in Microsoft Excel. Start by opening the Excel workbook where you want to use this formula. This method is especially helpful when you need to find a value based on both a row label and a column label, like looking up a product and a month at the same time. For this example, make sure your sample data is ready in the worksheet. The sample table is placed in cells A1 through D4. This table includes your row labels in the first column and your column headers across the top row, with the matching values filling the grid in between. Having your data organized this way is important because the double XLOOKUP formula depends on both directions of lookup working correctly. Next, enter the values you want Excel to search for. Click cell F1 and type the month you want to look up, such as Feb. Then click cell F2 and type the product name you want to search for, such as monitor. These two cells act as your lookup inputs, so you can easily change them later without rewriting the formula. Now click cell G2 because this is where the result will appear. In that cell, type the formula exactly like this: equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, F2, comma, A2 colon A4, comma, XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, F1, comma, B1 colon D1, comma, B2 colon D4, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. What this does is very useful. The inner XLOOKUP searches across the headers in cells B1 through D1 to find the month you typed in F1, and it returns the matching column from the data range B2 through D4. Then the outer XLOOKUP uses the product name in F2, searches for it in A2 through A4, and returns the corresponding value from that matched column. In other words, one XLOOKUP finds the correct column and the other finds the correct row. Before pressing enter, remember that you can modify the formula to fit your own worksheet. You can replace the value in F2 with a different product, replace the value in F1 with a different month, or adjust the data ranges if your table is larger or stored somewhere else. Once you're ready, press enter. Excel returns 90, which is the sales value for monitor in February. And that's it. You've successfully used the double XLOOKUP formula in Excel to perform a two-way lookup quickly and efficiently.